Now one more question. Highest common factor of 16 and 36. Write the factors of 16. After that, write the factors of 36. Now check which is the highest common factor. 1 is the common factor, 2 is the common factor, next is 4 is the common factor. No other factor is matching. So this is the highest common factor. Now student, there is another method to find the HCF, that is called prime factorization method. I taught you how to find the prime factors in previous video. In previous class में आपने prime factors निकालना सीखा था. Same way you write the prime factors of 15. 3 into 5, 15. 35, 5 into 7, 35. So which is the common factor? 5. So this is the highest common factor. Now what is the highest common factor of 14 and 56? Again you write the prime factors. 2 sevens are 14. And now we will write the prime factors of 56. Now we think about the table. 56 means 8 sevens are 56. But 8 is not a prime number. So change 8 into prime numbers. How can we write 8 in prime numbers form? This is the way. 2 into 2 into 2. Because 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So in place of 8, we will write these 3 2. And 7 will remain same. Because 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 7s are 56. So in this way, we will write the factors of 56. Now circle the common factors. 2, 7. There are two common factors. Now we will take the product of these two common factors. First common factor is 2. Second common factor is 7. So now the HCF is 2 7s are 14. आपको यहाँ पे only 7 नहीं लेना, वो पहले वाले केस में लेना था. इस केस में आपको जितने भी आपको कॉमन फैक्टर्स मिल रहे हैं वो सबका प्रोडक्ट लेना है. You have to find out the product of the common factors. This is little different method from the previous one. Okay students. Now the highest common factor of 33 and 87. 33, we know that 11 3s are 33. Now 87, you have learned the rule of divisibility by 3. 8 plus 7, 15. It means this number can be divided by 3. ऐसे हम कभी कभी अपने रूल्स भी फॉलो कर लेते हैं, इसीलिए हमने सीखे हैं रूल ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 3. उसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं, इन दोनों डिजिट का टोटल करते हैं. 8 plus 7 कितना? 15. And we know that 15 is divided by 3. So go in rough column and divide 87 by 3. Answer is 29. So first factor of 87 is 3 and second factor is 29 because 29 3s are 87. Now 29 is a prime number. So we cannot factorize is. इसको हम फैक्टराइज नहीं कर सकते. जैसे हमने 8 के फैक्टर्स किए थे ना, वैसे हम 29 के फैक्टर्स नहीं कर सकते. Why? Because 29 is a prime number. 11 is also a prime number. So which is the common factor? 3. Only 3 is the common factor. That is why HCF is 3. Now next question. Find the HCF by prime factorization method of 36 and 108. Now find the factors of 36. You know 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. And how can we write 6 in the form of prime factors? 2 into 3. It means 2 into 3 और इस 6 की जगह भी हम क्या लिखेंगे? 2 into 3. तो 2 into 3, 2 into 3, right? Or you can say we can collect 2. 2 पहले लिख लीजिए और 3 बाद में लिख लीजिए. Right in order. इसको ascending order में arrange कर दीजिए. 2 into 3, 2 into 3. You can write, you can arrange these factors like this. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. 36 आ गया. Now 108. Now think again about the table. 12 9s are 108. 12 nines are 108. Now what are the factors of 9? 3 into 3. And what are the factors of 12? 4 into 3. But 4 is a composite number. तो 4 को भी factorize कर दीजिए. 2 into 2. So now collect all these factors. 12 के factors collect करिए और 9 के. 12 के factors क्या होंगे बेटा? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. What are the factors of 12? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. And what are the factors of 9? 3 into 3. So we will collect these factors and these factors. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and 3 3s are 9. So these are the complete factors of 108. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, and 36 3s are 108. Now check which are the common factors. First 2 is common, second 2 is also common, then 1 3 is also common, another 3 is also common. So 1 2 is common, second 2 is common, first 3 is common, second 3 is common. Now what is the product of these common factors? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So what is the highest common factor? Highest common factor is 36. Understood, students? Okay.